Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. My name is SL Rockfish, and I'm going to be your happy hostess, as usual, for this lesson on the word stuff. S-T-U-F-F. S-T-U-F-F. 5 letters, 10 definitions. Stuff's a noun, stuff's a verb, stuff can be an adjective, and stuff can be a gerund. But for this lesson, we're going with stuff the noun, you know, person, place, or thing, and stuff the verb. Verb, the action word. Come on. Stuff, matter, materials, or substance. That's a lot of stuff. Stuff, for example, we use that stuff to make the project. We're going to use that stuff over there. Got it? Now, number 2, basic constituent of something or someone. What? It's what they're made of. Again, kind of like that, but over here. Basic, what they're made of. They have the stuff to succeed. We don't know what that stuff is, but they have it. Stuff, the unspecified matters or articles. Oh, unspecified. For example, can you hold my stuff? You don't know what it is. I'm just going to call it stuff. Number 4, unspecified abilities, talk, ideas, or actions. For example, she knows her stuff. What? Yeah, she knows her stuff. She knows what she's talking about. Oh. Then we have worthless ideas or things. Don't sweat the small stuff. Have you heard that before? That's a big one. Then stuff to pack tightly into small spaces, to cram. I'm going to stuff all my clothes in my suitcase. Stuff. Now, stuff number 7, to fill a cavity with stuffing. What? Yeah. For example, we're going to stuff the stuffing in the turkey. Oh, here's a better sense. My husband stuffed the turkey with stuffing. Ooh, that's another noun, but that's a different one. Never mind. Then we have to cram food. To cram food, we stuffed ourselves. We stuffed ourselves full of food. We could just say, ooh, at dinner we stuffed ourselves. That means we ate too much. Or stuff to put invalid votes in a ballot box. Oh no, don't say those words. Yes, for example, they're going to stuff the ballot box to get the returns that they want. Oh, and finally, stuff to eat too much. I am stuffed, the adjective. Why do these 10 meanings go with this one little word? Dig. 5 letters, 10 definitions. Why does English do that to people? I don't know, but now you can read and hopefully understand these sentences. And I'm going to read them slowly. Are you ready? My friend is made of stern stuff. She threw out all of her old stuff by stuffing it in boxes and not looking back. Then she had dinner and was stuffed. What? That's a lot of stuff. Now you go out and go use the word stuff. Peace, friends.